Imagine a YouTube channel thriving yet faceless, fueled by AI tools. Intrigued? Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Find a niche. The more specific, the better. Step 2. Choose your AI tool. OpenAI is a great starting point. It's free and beginner-friendly. Step 3. Craft your prompt. This is your secret sauce. A prompt could be as simple as create a script about the history of soccer. Step 4. Input your prompt into the AI tool. Watch as it generates a unique script, saving you hours of writing. Step 5. Use a text-to-speech software to transform the script into audio. Natural Reader offers a variety of voices and accents. Step 6. Pair your audio with relevant stock footage or animations. No need for a camera or on-screen presence. Step 7. Upload your content to YouTube. Remember, consistency is key. Final step, monetize. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the criteria. Harness the power of AI, create captivating content, and watch your faceless YouTube channel grow. Loop this guide, take notes, and start your journey today.